What is Notion? If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Notion is an all-in-one workspace application that combines note-taking, project management, database creation, and collaboration tools into a single platform. This comprehensive digital workspace serves both individual users and teams seeking organized productivity solutions. With Notion, you can create and organize notes, build project management systems, design databases for tracking information, write documents and wikis, create task lists and calendars, and collaborate with team members in real time. The platform supports various content types including text, images, videos, code blocks, and embedded files, making it versatile for different use cases and professional needs. Notion works through a block-based system where every piece of content is a block that can be moved, edited, and customized. This flexible structure allows users to arrange information exactly how they want it organized. To access Notion, go to notion.com and navigate to their homepage. Now you can download the desktop application for your operating system, where you can also use it directly on the website through your browser. Key Notion features include customizable templates for quick setup, real-time collaboration tools, database functionality with filters and sorting options, integration capabilities with other applications, cross-platform synchronization, and extensive formatting options.